But endoplasmic reticulum is the network of membranes which are present in the cytoplasm. They are present in all cells. They are of, except for prokaryotes, and they are of two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is because of the ribosomes attached on its surface, whereas the smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not have any ribosomes attached on its surface. The structural difference in both rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum is because of the presence of ribosomes. The functions of endoplasmic reticulum, they are basically four functions of endoplasmic reticulum. They serve as a channel for transportation of material between various regions of cytoplasm and nucleus, and it also functions as the framework to provide space for biochemical activities. It helps in synthesis of fats, steroids, and proteins. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also involved in detoxification of drugs and poisonous byproducts. So endoplasmic reticulum is basically involved in synthesis. It is also involved in, synthesis of proteins and lipids both. It also helps in transport, support, and detoxification. Proteins are synthesized on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Lipids are synthesized in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Since both of them, rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, since both of them are synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum, we call them as, uh, and both of these are parts of a membrane, we call them as, they are involved in membrane biogenesis also. Membrane biogenesis. Membrane, bio means living, genesis means to make. To make a new living membrane. This is the function of ER, endoplasmic reticulum. The structure of endoplasmic reticulum you can see here. This part 5 is endoplasmic reticulum, which is involved in the formation of new proteins and lipids, and together they form membranes. So membrane biogenesis, that protein synthesis, lipid synthesis, transport within the cell, support to the cytoplasm, and detoxification of poisons and drugs. These all are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum.